Alright, so today we're checking out the gun show. And I'm not talking these fucking bad boys. Gun show. Firearms. Whoa! Picture in picture! I've gotten a huge amount of subscribers lately, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. I went to a gun show about 2 weeks ago, and I didn't end up putting it up because I wasn't happy with the way the film turned out, and I also got in shit, and they tried to kick me out. So, kind of left a sour taste in my mouth about the experience. But, just as a thank you, and a promise that, better things are coming, I wanted to upload this video, so at least there's something. I'm also thinking about doing podcasts, so that might be coming down the tubes pretty soon. But just touching on the fact that they tried to kick me out of the gun show over having a camera, I really feel that hard-nosed, conservative, conspiracy theory kind of attitude is what's really detrimental to our gun community, and what really puts a lot of people off about firearms in the first place is that there's not really a sense of inclusion with the community. The guy was really uptight, asking a bunch of questions, and it wasn't until, actually I pulled out in Canada we have what's called a PAL. I have my PAL and my RPAL, and I've showed him the card and said, look, I'm a firearms supporter, I love firearms, and I just wanted to put it on my channel. And then he kind of toned it down a little bit, but they were going to try and throw me out, man. Anyways, enjoy the video. A lot of history here.
Sure is, yeah.